Welcome to Monday's Mindful Community Collective Meditation. We're thrilled that you're a part of our mindfulness community. Please share this meditation with others in your life so that this community continues to grow. As we approach the holidays, I thought it would be beneficial to do a holiday meditation which addresses sometimes the stresses and pressures that we encounter during the holidays. So thank you for joining me in this holiday meditation. So let's just sit in a comfortable, upright posture so that you can breathe deeply and fully, but most importantly, just be comfortable. You can close your eyes and place your hands gently in your lap and begin the meditation by sensing into your body, bringing yourself into the present moment by feeling the touch of your body in the chair. Just allowing the chair to support you, or if you're lying down, which is also fine, allowing the ground to support you. You can feel your feet or body contacting the ground and just feel that connectedness. And let's just begin by taking a few long, full, deep breaths, just breathing in and breathing out. And as you're breathing in, let your awareness drop into the center of your chest. And breathe naturally and imagine your breath coming in and out through your heart. Let each inhalation caress and soften your inner heart space. Just breathing into your heart and breathing out. And become aware of a golden flame in the center of your chest. You might visualize it or simply feel its warm, glowing presence. And with each inhalation, the flame glows. With each exhalation, it radiates light through the heart, the front, the sides, and back. And just rest your awareness gently in the flame. And as you inhale, it glows. And as you exhale, it radiates. Just keep softening and relaxing the inner heart, spreading the glow of your inner flame throughout your body and out into the room. And as you inhale, it glows. And as you exhale, the light radiates the flame. And with this mindful awareness, bring to mind thoughts of the holidays. Some of the expectations and stresses that are present for you today. What thoughts do you notice? Simply be aware of them coming and going. You don't need to do anything about them now. You don't need to follow them. Just being aware of them as mental events. Let them arise, acknowledge them, and let them go. Like leaves on a stream, drifting away downstream. What emotions do you notice? What mood is present when you bring this up? Again, simply be aware of them coming and going. You don't need to do anything about them now. just being aware. Let them arise, acknowledge them, and let them go. Your thoughts and feelings are like scenes on a movie screen, coming and going. You can sit back and let them come and go, and know that you don't have to get caught up in the storyline or the plot. What body sensations are present? Do a quick scan and notice places of tightness or tension, maybe in your forehead, your face, your jaw, shoulders, your belly, your back, or wherever you notice tension or tightness. Just feel it and know that it's here and it's okay. Stay with it for a bit and be curious about it. Now, if you like, you can breathe into this area of tension to clear it out and break up the tension. And on the out breath, let go of the tension and just let it drain away. Do this for a few breath cycles and imagine this stress or tension flowing away and draining out of your fingers and feet. Just take a moment to notice what this feels like. Now, let your breath resume a natural, easy rhythm. We'll just follow our breathing for a few moments. There's no place to go, nothing to do. Just resting in the breath, following and feeling the actual sensations of your breathing. Just breathing in and breathing out. And when you notice your mind wandering away from this breath awareness, without giving yourself a hard time, just gently redirect your focus on the breath, letting the breath be an anchor to the present moment. An anchor that you can use anytime you wish to center and calm yourself when needed during the holidays. Just following the breath, breathing in and breathing out, giving yourself permission to relax and enjoy this moment. Now, let's return to the image of the flame. Become aware of a golden flame in the center of your chest. You might visualize it or simply feel its warm, glowing presence. With each inhalation, the flame glows. With each exhalation, it radiates light through the heart, through the front, the sides, and back. Rest your awareness gently in the flame. Inhale and it glows. Exhale and it radiates. Keep softening and relaxing the inner heart, spreading the glow of your inner flame throughout your body and out into the room. And as you do this, know in your heart that you are doing the best you can these holidays. Know that there may be situations that you have no control over, And you can let it go and let it be. Know that you can't control the situation or other people, but you can control your response to it mindfully. And you can learn to accept things that you can't control by being mindfully present, using the breath whenever you need to pause and reflect. And send yourself some compassion and caring, saying things like, "May I experience peace and happiness these holidays. May my family, friends, and loved ones experience peace and happiness these holidays." And just allow yourself to rest in this loving kindness. May we remember and be in touch with the true reasons for the holidays, your own special values that are important, and not get caught up in the messages from external sources. Make an intention for yourself to bring these mindful holiday messages with you, to actively cultivate the peace, calm, balance, and loving kindness with you throughout the holiday season.
Thank you for joining us. We hope this meditation brings you peace and calm.